All right, our today's task is glossary words with their meanings and synonyms, vocabulary part A and B, grammar part A, collective nouns. As I told you earlier that it's a revision of your lecture number 5. Now these are the glossary words: association, celebration, customary, gatherings, lunar, partake, recipient, reinvigorate, symbolize, traits. Is that clear? These are glossary words. These are the meanings of the words. These are their meanings given in the book. You are going to note down the meanings from the book. I will provide you the synonyms. You are going to note down words, their meanings, and synonyms on your neat notebook. Clear? Make it sure that you are going to write words, meanings, and their synonyms that I would provide to you. Is that clear? All right. First word, association, feeling that is connected with the particular event. So association is a relation, connection, celebration, party, or special event at which you celebrate something. So it's a party or gathering or festivity or festival, customary, usual for somebody. So what is traditional, what is usual is called customary. Gatherings, bringing together or come together of people of a family. Lunar, related to the moon. Partake, take a part or share in. Recipient is receiver. Reinvigorate, strengthen. Symbolize, to represent something by means of a symbol. Traits, characteristics. All right. Now these are the meanings. I'm telling you again. I'll provide you the synonyms. You are going to note down words, their meanings, and synonyms on your notebook. Now this is vocabulary part A. Give the meanings of each of word as used in the lesson. Right? If you notice that there are few words that you have already attempted their meanings and synonyms in glossary, like the word gatherings. Gatherings is there. Customary, the word customary is there. So the words that I have marked, the meanings are already provided to you. Is that clear? So I've added only thoroughly in commonplace. Understood? Is that clear? If you have any queries, you can ask. Right? Now part B is form nouns from the given words and use the nouns in sentences. Now you have some words like celebrate, celebration, gather, symbolic, prosper, decorate, encourage. You are going to form nouns of these given words. Like first word is celebrate. You're going to make the noun celebration. Gather, you're going to make the noun gathering. Symbolic, you're going to make a noun symbol. Prosper, prosperity. Decorate, decoration. Encourage, encouragement. Is that clear? So you are also going to use these nouns in sentences. I'll provide you the notes of these, and you are also going to note down these on your neat notebook. Is that clear? Like these are the notes. Words. You are going to write the meanings from book. You are going to write the meanings from book. Is that clear? Write meanings from book, synonyms. Right? Provide their meanings from the book. Write these synonyms. Next is vocabulary part B. Form nouns. These are the nouns. And now these are the sentences of these nouns. Your homework is learn plus write on notebook glossary words with meanings and synonyms, vocabulary part A and B. Is that clear? If you have any queries, you can ask.